disaster, greed, and the extremely poor federal law that allows it. Millions of Americans have long-term disability insurance as a financial life preserver and assume it will be there for the long term if anything happens. This is how that life preserver can fail and what is needed to change the federal law it is covered under. You may say, why should I bother? I'm healthy. Remember, accidents, strokes, heart attacks, and other tragic events can happen at the blink of an eye, and you can become disabled. And then you will realize the horror and tragedy is your policy is denied unless we get Congress to change the law. In trying to fix these problems, we have written to all the members of the U.S. Senate and House of Representatives who are on the labor committees, and to our surprise, not one has come forward to help. Senator Obama and Clinton are both on the Senate Labor Committee. They want to become president, but how can you vote for them when they won't do their job as senators and help correct the law that denies millions of disabled Americans their policy? Senator Clinton has not responded at all, while Senator Obama wrote he was sending the information to Senator Casey, the senator from Pennsylvania, who again never responded, as a congressional courtesy since it did not involve any constituent in Illinois. So I guess there are no disabled affected in Illinois. We need everyone to write or call their U.S. senators and congressmen and demand they pledge to change the law so that disabled Americans can get the policies they have paid for. This will affect you and your family, as they may have to help support you or you help support them to survive. Here's what the problem is. Under the federal law ERISA, which Congress enacted in 1974 to protect pensions, this law, according to the U.S. Labor Department, with regard to policies that through the employer, the plan is free to set the conditions under which benefits paid. Basically, there are no controls. Understand, the insurance company is not required to give you the policy unless you request it, so you don't have a clue what is covered. Most long-term disability insurance policies have a clause that after a period of time, usually 18 months to 3 years, during which you have been collecting from the policy changes from not being able to work at the job you had to you being able to work any job that may exist in the world. The insurance companies use the Dictionary of Occupational Titles Index. From this, they search jobs their computer feels you are qualified for and decide what you can do. You may not be healthy enough to work a 40-hour week or have the experience or even the education for the job, but the insurance company will not allow you to appeal their decision only on medical grounds. If you appeal on medical grounds, there is a chance the reviewing doctor, who's hired by the insurance company, may not see all the medical records, and then he or she will determine whether you can work the job they picked for you based on the information he has received. Understand, if they decide you are disabled, they pay you. But if they decide you are not disabled, they make money from not paying you. Is this a conflict of interest? Many would see it as such, but since the law currently allows this, they can do it, right or wrong. Additionally, the policy claims to pay you a percentage of your current salary. What many do not understand, since they've never seen their policy, is that they will be required to file for Social Security disability. And if you don't, they will refuse to pay you. And these insurance companies will even hire somebody to help you get Social Security disability. Why, you ask? Simple. They deduct what you get from your monthly payment, the amount you get from Social Security, thereby making a huge profit at the expense of a going bankrupt Social Security disability funds. Also, since Social Security payments are taxable, you never really get the percentage the policy claims. And at the time they deny you coverage, they will not care if you're on Social Security disability at this stage, because to them it's no longer considered a decision. Since the law does not see it, they can do it. To prevent this, we need the definition of being disabled as collecting Social Security disability, which would prevent them from denying you your policy. For more information on this problem or how to contact your senator or representative, please email us at ltdreform@comcast.net. That's ltdreform@comcast.net. Don't wait until you're disabled and helpless.